Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about allergies. Our first question comes from Adrian. Hi Dherbs, yesterday I was changing out my nail color and some of the polish remover got on my wrist. This morning I woke up with hives and a super itchy rash in the same spot. Is it possible that I'm allergic to the remover? Adrian, this is fiction. Allergies are caused by your immune system reacting to harmless proteins in foods and chemicals like they're invasive, triggering a massive combat response from your body that ends up just hurting you because the trigger was harmless. But nail polish remover isn't harmless. The reaction you're having is because the chemicals in it are hurting your skin. If you spill nail polish remover or other harmful stuff like hair dye or drain cleaner on your skin, the key is to get it off as quickly as possible. Try washing your skin with soap and cold water right away and use cold compresses on any blisters. Your skin will thank you for the help. Our next question comes from Michael. Hey Dherbs, I just had my first kid and he's about to start eating solid foods. I wanted to write in because I'm worried about feeding him peanuts. If he eats them, what if he's allergic and we didn't know it? Should I be worried? Best, Michael. Michael, this is fiction. Research shows that actually feeding your kid peanuts sooner rather than later makes them much less likely to develop peanut allergies. The same is true of eggs, tree nuts, and other common allergens. If someone in your family already has a serious allergy, the risk is a bit higher, so you could ask your doctor about trying the food in their office, or maybe getting an allergy test just in case. But if not, you probably have nothing to worry about. Our final question is from Toto. Hello Dherbs. One of my friends says he used to be allergic to eggs, but he isn't anymore. I keep telling him that's ridiculous because allergies don't go away, but he insists he's right. Can he settle this once and for all? Toto, this is a fact. Most childhood allergies are eventually outgrown, and some allergies that start in adulthood go away too. The only exception is that very serious allergies are less likely to go away than mild ones. You can ask your doctor to get tested if you want to check for sure about whether an allergy is gone. Just don't be too annoyed when they side with your friend. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.